What's up, witches? I have some exciting news. We just released our October theme for the creative writing workshops, which is a Halloween memory. I'm really excited about this one because a Halloween memory is supposed to encompass everything meaningful to you or healing to you about sewing and about the Halloween season. So whatever comes to mind when you think of Halloween, it could be adulthood, it could be childhood, it could be really positive, it could be something that you need to get over. We're going to do poetry and prose for this first workshop, so you're welcome to write a poem or you're welcome to write fiction or nonfiction. And we're going to have 2 sessions. So there's going to be a Tuesday session, 2 Tuesdays in October to attend, or a Thursday session in which you would attend the 2 Thursday sessions. So check out the link below. Definitely look at it and see what those dates are. Once again, if you sign up for a workshop, you will get 2 sessions within 2 weeks' time for that price. So just check out more information. Let me know if you have any questions, and I really look forward to seeing you for this October Halloween theme.